Hi friends, hi, hello everyone. Here is another important, very hottest good news. Why? Because we may conclude from these updates that FATF rules are applying in every part of the world. For the global crypto exchange arrangements, every country has been started. Why? Because Belarus is the biggest and largest bank in UK. It has started crypto services by allowing customers to buy Bitcoin using Visa cards. It's simply online process. This is the service works online, and the purchase and sales procedure takes place using Visa payment cards only. It's very simple process now in the hands of the customers. At the same time, some people are asking, what is the relationship in between this news and OneCoin? How you support OneCoin? There is no relationship with this news with the OneCoin. Like this, some people are commenting. No, there is a relation. Yeah, it is all because of only OneCoin, and OneCoin exposed how many merchants are supporting OneCoin to the world by conducting expos, deal shaker expos. Yeah, we'll see how it relates. Yeah, see here. Here, this is the weekly exchange summary released by OneCoin in 2019 August 16th. In these updates, you just clearly see how OneCoin has its great vision towards the global crypto exchanges throughout the world. You just see here. Just so no, I will just clearly study. You just listen. In every member country, an inter-ministerial working group has been gathered in order to implement the amendments in their national law regarding the crypto exchanges and remittance services. It is interesting to know what every country decision is, whether only exchanges with a registered office and address in the specific country have to be included in the government registry, which will be compulsory when the national laws comes into force, or other exchanges not registered in the country but providing exchange and remittance services on the national market will be a subject to registration. Many governments have not taken their decision on this matter by that time. But now this news all is about happened, or the news released by OneCoin in 2019 August itself. In every country, there must be a registered office, whether it is private sector or public sector, but they have to provide services as per the FATF standards. So that is the reason why in India also TCS has started its services, and it's announced it's willing to provide crypto services in India in July 8th. So these are all because of FATF standards. Every country should follow. Is it? Yeah, see here clear. May Google it. You will get the data. Blockchain solutions for enterprises and ecosystems in India. Tata Consultancy Services started. This TCS is going to provide trading solutions also. How it happens? Yeah, you just Google it. Things are going very positive. They are going to provide cross border actions also. In India, TCS has started. But some people are still feeling uncomfortable. You just clearly see here. This is the press note released by Tata Group of Industries on July 8th, 2020. It has been mentioned here it's registered office also. Just clearly see this thing here. In each and every part of the country, there must be a registered office for the exchange. Is it not? Clearly check it. Yes, it is there. Our registered office in India also. Is it? This was announced by OneCoin in 2019 itself. It was conducted central bank meeting also to make awareness towards the central bank digital currencies or stable coins. See here, central bank is planned to be announced at the completion of AML or CFT seminar from 14th to 16th July. This is all done by OneCoin only, but people are still not believing because before OneCoin, no such other cryptocurrency has conducted a central bank meeting. Is it? No other cryptocurrency has conducted. So, guys, what are the things are going on throughout the world, like crypto banking services in UK by the largest bank called Belarus, and in India from December 10th onwards, they are going to start crypto banking services. So these are all because of OneCoin only. There is no such other cryptocurrency has done this one. Okay, friends, thank you.